type of curriculum that we have here at the Career Center, we try to mimic after the business. So the students learn a variety of programming languages, development tools that go along with those languages.
I chose this major, software engineering and web development, because I've always wanted to learn how to code. A lot of our first year was based on HTML and CSS, and now we're learning JavaScript and C#.
We learn different programming languages, which there's some that make websites and some that make apps, some that make games.
The types of certifications that we have in the program are based upon industry standards.
There's MTAs, which is Microsoft Technology Associates. There's also Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office, and IC3s.
We do participate in Business Professionals of America, and the 5 years that I have been here, we have taken students to nationals.
The best thing about software engineering and web development is the freedom that we have. We can learn new technologies, new programs.
Collaboration is a really big part of this class. Also creativity. We have to create things out of our own imagination. We have to make up websites, and we have to just come up with a story to tell through the websites.
So we do offer both internships and early placement opportunities here at the Career Center, and I believe we have 6 semester hours that are available to the students upon completion of the first and second year.
The Career Center offers classes that help tie into our career major.
Most of the students, quite frankly, will go to university or college.
I plan to take an internship after I graduate, get a master's degree in computer science or robotics engineering or other related fields.
Because it is technology and technology is constantly evolving, if you keep up with it, you can be involved in any industry.
Just like the workforce, we work hard and we play hard.